Is that your sat nav from?
That's me Google.
Ah, right. I thought it was still your Galaxy.
No, his battery's bugging in it.
What time is it?
2:30.
12, 1, 2, 3. I think I can have a tablet, can't I? It was 11 o'clock, weren't it? 11.
What were?
When I took the tablets. Last time was...
About 11:30.
About 20 past, 11, yeah.
Alright.
Yeah.
I'll fall off back.
That's it.
Yeah, that's about right.
Yeah.
Is it? Is it tight enough?
Feels tighter than it's been all day.
I can't get it to tighten beyond that. That's what I mean, 'cause it keeps on pinging itself back through.
Yeah.
There.
Alright.
Yeah.
Your gloves are on there.
What are you like for fuel?
Alright.
Oh, just on under off tank there.
Right. Well, if we're going straight home, I'll be alright.
Yeah, I think I should be, but I don't know if it's worth stopping just in case. Oh, what waypoints are you deleting?
I've just done 2.
How do I delete them? Right, so you can see.
I don't know how to do it on yours. Oh, there.
Alright, just didn't skip. Yeah, that should be it then, shouldn't it?
I'll tell you what, I bet it doesn't do it because you're in genuine mode, aren't you? I'm in offline mode.
Yeah.
Alright.
But
Okay.
that's great like that then.
Hey?
Sorted. That's mostly sorted like that. I'll be behind you anyway, I'm just thinking just in case we get separated by a stupid Fiat 500. Which hopefully we shouldn't. But the hell come go on a sheep up there?
Yeah. You okay? Hey?
Sure, right? Aye. After you.
Okay?
After out there then.
Yeah.
Right. Got air over that then. You know, my sat nav's dancing trying to figure out where we are because there's no internet connection.
Yeah. 105 mile we've done.
Aye.
Well, I zeroed it just this side of Preston. So it's about 110 mile we've done.
Yeah.
Look at this. Love it. I do like this road, this Birker Fell.
Yeah. It's very quiet, isn't it? There's not much going on around. You can just properly shut your brain off.
It's like that bloke was saying, this like western side of the lakes, it's so quiet.
Yeah. I don't understand why it is this quiet, to be fair, because it's bloody brilliant around here as well, isn't it?
Yeah. This is quite steep, this, Luke, from what I remember.
Christ, it ain't half steep, isn't it? Problem is, like you were on about to that guy before and hard nut, it's down, but it's also turning, isn't it?
Yeah.
You sort of have to just pick your battles and where you are up road. Wheel left or right here?
Right.
Alright.
You okay?
Fine. His sat nav's still dancing, but
You need to download some offline maps when you get home.
you can't do it without the premium for it. I still haven't got that yet.
Alright.
I don't use it enough to justify it really.
Right. This is going towards Ulpha. Look at this little church here. Piggy would love that. If I bring them up here next week or week after when they come, Piggy will love that.
Church, Biggie. Christ. Wasn't that from Normandy till?
No, last year. Kit River here. It's lovely.
Aye.
Over at Duddon Bridge.
Apple Grid somewhere. The other side of the bridge, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is.
Look at that. Careful over here. Straight as you can. Now this road.
There we are.
Oh, there's another road there, see? Going up the side there.
There you're looking.
That track.
Rescue?
Yeah, mountain rescue, yeah.
Shit, driver, that's what it is.
Can you get out before that?
Yeah.